welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and been keeping up with all my latest videos. Today I have a simple one shoulder cutout detailed velvet mini dress for you guys, and all you'll need is 3 yards of fabric, matching thread, scissors, and obviously a sewing machine. So first I'm going to start off by using a dress that I folded in half as a pattern for the bottom half of the skirt. So I just went in and pinned both the sides. Now I'm going to go ahead and sew them together. Now I'm going into making the top. All you need to make the top part of the dress is these 3 pieces. The 2 bottom pieces are the top bust area, and then the top rectangular piece is the sleeve. Now I'm just going in, and as you can see on the top portion I already pinned the bust part together, and now I'm just going in and pinning those, folding the sleeve in half and pinning that together. So now this is how the pieces should look once it's all pinned together, and now I'm just going to go to the sewing machine and sew those pieces together. So in a bit you'll see me stop sewing, raise the presser's foot, and move the fabric up about an inch, and then actually bring the foot back down and continue sewing till the fabric ends. That was just to give it a thumb hole effect because I did have a thumb hole in the sleeve. So yeah. And right here I'm just showing you the hole that I left so that I would be able to put my thumb through the sleeve. So here's how the pieces should look after you're done sewing, and all you're gonna do is connect that longer part of the top to the longer ending piece part of the sleeve, and just to give it the crossover from one shoulder to the other arm. Now I just went in and pinned those two pieces together and sewed along where the pins were. Right here is the two ending pieces you should have. You should have a bottom skirt part of the dress and the top bust and sleeve part of the dress. All you're gonna do is make sure the seams, the side seams align from the bust top area to the skirt part of the dress, and then pin them together so they don't unalign, and all you're gonna do is sew that together. So this was the final look of the dress. All I had to do after this was kind of just hem the bottom of the skirt and the bottom opening of the sleeve and the cutout portion of the dress, and it was done. So in the next clip I will be showing you guys the final result of the dress and how it looked in the photo shoot. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoyed, and turn on those post notifications so you know when I post another DIY video or any video on my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.